Hi, welcome you all on jksjitendra. Just now you have a mail from Grow at 5:33 p.m. regarding faster settlement for stock orders. As you can see on the screen, T+1 day settlement cycle to be effective soon on 27th January 2023. As per the latest regulation, effective from 27th January 2023, all the stock order will now be settled in one market day T+1 day from the date of the placement order transactions. What changes for you? With the T+1 day settlement cycle in effect, first, when you buy a stock, it will be credited to your demat account on the next market day. Second, similarly, when you sell a stock, the amount worth the shares sold will become available for the withdrawal on the next market day. Currently, this settlement time for the both buy and sell orders is 2 days. How does this impact the markets? This is expected to reduce the risk of default and increase liquidity in the market. To learn more about T+1 day settlement cycle, click on Read Block. Follow the links in this description box of this video. SEBI to offer T+1 day settlement cycle for stocks. As per the recent notification of SEBI, all the FOs, future and option stock and remaining stock in T+2 day settlement will be moved to the new T+1 day settlement cycle with effect from 27th January 2023. To check out the list of the stocks that are going to be transferred to a T+1 day settlement cycle this month from 27th January 2023. This will not impact intraday traders. Currently, a T+2 day settlement cycle is followed. All stock will now be moved to the T+1 day settlement cycle in phase. This shift takes place each month. As part of this process, the stock is bought one day before the transaction takes place will be blocked from selling the next day. For examples, as per SEBI, the final set of the stock is moving to a T+1 day settlement cycle on 27th January 2023. If you buy the stock on 25th January 2023 Wednesday, you would not be allowed to sell the stock the next working day Friday. It will be unblocked to be sold on 30th January, the next working day Monday, post which you can sell the stocks. What is meant by settlement cycle? Trading in the stock market is a function of buying and selling equities and derivative instruments. A transaction is said to be successful when each buy and sell order is executed and matches within the sell and buy orders. It is finally settled when the stock are credited to your demat account after you buy the stock. In the case of a sell transaction, the transaction is settled once the stock is debited from your demat account. Until now, it used to take 2 days for the stock to be credited to your demat account after you bought the stock. Similarly, in the case of sell transaction, it took 2 days from the stock to actually leave the demat accounts. What is changing for you on January 27th, 2023, T plus 1 day settlement is set to launch on the NSE and BSE's portal. This will result in market having more liquidity as the settlement cycle will be shortened to T plus 1 day. The SEBI T plus 1 day settlement options for securities shall be available to all types of transaction in the stock exchange. For instance, if security is placed under T plus 1 day settlement on the stock exchange, the regular market deals as well as block deals will follow the T plus 1 day settlement cycle. How does it impact you? A shorter settlement cycle means quicker completion of trades. In a T plus 1 day settlement cycle, the user can withdraw money a day earlier. Please do like, subscribe, share, comment and give a suggestions if needed. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.